Good morning, dear students. Which is the bean-shaped organ present in our body? Yes, it is kidney. What is the major function of kidney? Yes, removal of waste materials. Where is the location of kidney? Correct, it is located on both sides of vertebral column. What is the functional unit of kidney? Correct, it is nephron. So today we are going to learn more about the structure and function of nephron. Nephron is the functional and structural unit of the kidney. Approximately 1 million nephrons are present in a kidney. Each nephron has two components, that is vascular component and tubular component. This is the structure of nephron. Proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule, Lupus-Henle, collecting duct are the tubular components. Tubular components are hollow fluid-filled tube. It is formed of single layer of epithelial cells. The components are Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, Lupus-Henle. That is descending limb of Lupus-Henle, that is thin layer. It is thin. And the next is ascending limb of Lupus-Henle. It is thin and thick part. Next is distal convoluted tubule. And next is collecting duct. And the last one is juxtaglomerular apparatus. First one is Bowman's capsule. This portion is known as Bowman's capsule. It is expanded double-walled invagination that cups around the glomerulus to collect fluid from the glomerular capillaries. Glomerular capillaries നിന്നുള്ള ഫ്ലൂയിഡിനെ കളക്ട് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള കപ്പ് ലൈക്ക് പോർഷൻ ആണ് ബൊമാൻസ് ക്യാപ്സ്യൂൾ. ഇനി ഈ ബൊമാൻസ് ക്യാപ്സ്യൂളിൽ നിന്ന് ഫിൽട്രേഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫ്ലൂയിഡ് പ്രോക്സിമൽ കൺവല്യൂട്ടഡ് ട്യൂബിലോട്ട് പാസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. Proximal convoluted tubule lies entirely in the cortex. From PCT, fluid passes into loop of Henle. PCTയിൽ നിന്ന് അത് ഫ്ലൂയിഡ് ലൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഹെൻലിയിലോട്ട് പാസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഫസ്റ്റ് ബൊമാൻസ് ക്യാപ്സ്യൂളിൽ വന്നു, അവിടുന്ന് പ്രോക്സിമൽ കൺവല്യൂട്ടഡ് ട്യൂബ്യൂൾ, ദെൻ ഇറ്റ് ഗോസ് ടു ലൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഹെൻലി. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് loop of Henle. From U-shaped or hairpin looped form U-shaped അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു hairpin loop ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നു. Loop of Henle dips into renal medulla. Loop of Henle രണ്ട് ലിംബുണ്ട്, ഡിസെൻഡിങ് ലിംബും ഉണ്ട്, അസെൻഡിങ് ലിംബും ഉണ്ട്. ഡിസെൻഡിങ് limb of loop of Henle goes from cortex to medulla and ascending limb of loop of Henle passes from medulla to cortex. Ascending limb of loop of Henle forms distal convoluted tubule. DCT lies in the cortex. The next one is vascular component. It is the dominant part. Dominant part is the glomerulus. Glomerulus is a tuft of glomerular capillaries. It is a picture of glomerulus. Large amount of fluid and solute are filtered from the blood. ഗ്ലോമറുലസിൽ വെച്ചാണ് ഫ്ലൂയിഡും സൊല്യൂട്ടും ഫിൽറ്റേർഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. It contains mainly afferent arteriole, and efferent arteriole. The series of blood vessels in the kidney are renal vein, capillary network, efferent arteriole, glomerulus, afferent arteriole, and renal artery. Renal artery enters the kidney and forms afferent arteriole, which supplies each nephron. Afferent arteriole delivers blood to the glomerulus. Glomerular capillaries rejoin to form another arteriole, that is efferent arteriole. The blood that was not filtered in the glomerulus goes to efferent arteriole. Efferent arteriole gives second set of capillaries, that is peritubular capillaries, which supply the renal tissue and are important in exchange with the tubular system. The word peritubular means around the tubular system. Peritubular capillaries rejoin to form venules that drain in renal vein. This is the overall picture of blood vessel in the kidney. Nephrons are mainly two types. They are distinguished by location and length of their structures, that are juxtamedullary nephron and cortical nephron. Are you clear? Any doubt? Okay, thank you.